and it popped in a second.
Damn.
And I was hoping he'd let off the gas, so it's, just power down like you do when you leave a car first. And when it popped in a second, it jumped to like 65 miles an hour. And we were like 8 houses back, and he's slamming on the brakes and everything. And I was trying to say, go by.
Yeah.
And he turned the steering wheel, and the door come flying open, and he was hanging on to the steering wheel and the door, and his ass was over pavement. And the doors grazed the mailbox and everything, and he still managed to get it in here. And we come down here and started doing 360s in the field. It was great fun, wasn't it?
It was off the chain, man. Gotta do it again.
Yeah. See you later, bro.
All right. About to get this thing started up. That is all, man.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm quarter rocks. I play the motherfucking clock. We ain't sweating on. I drop the top when I'm on the block, see different hoes.
In other words, if he was standing right here, he'd go, give me his number. And he'd sit there and he'd go, double what it's worth.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm quarter rocks. I play the motherfucking clock. We ain't sweating on. I drop the top.